This is our peristaltic pump model PP-500. This standalone pump comes with its own power supply and plugs into standard 120 volt outlet. Built-in electronic controller allows you to control the flow precisely by simply using the control knob. This pump has a reverse switch for reversing the direction of the flow. Maximum flow is 65 milliliters per minute. This compact unit is only 4 inches by 2 inches and 3 inches high. This self-contained complete peristaltic pump is ideal for laboratory use, liquid transfer, chemical analysis, and liquid dispensing. This is a low-cost alternative for intermittent and low-duty cycle applications. For more information, please contact us or visit our website at binacaproducts.com.